Yeah, you threw the bowl down. That's the only thing you can reach. Mommy's videotaping you. When you watch this 15 years from now, you're going to be like, wow, I was a little punk. Time for bed.